So today we're going to be unboxing the Zoozee robot vacuum cleaner. All right. So we've got, I'm guessing, the instruction manual here. It does connect to Wi-Fi, so you're going to have to download an app. That's where it starts. We'll get into that. And then when you open it up, there are going to be some wires and stuff in this top part, so do not throw it away. And then the boxes here on the sides also have an adapter and your dustbin and your charging deck. So make sure that you keep all the side boxes as well. You're going to need all of that equipment. And for the main attraction, ooh, it's so sleek and pretty. So this is the vacuum. I'm gonna take this off. Power buttons in the front. You can see in the back the motor wheels, and we're gonna tell you all some more about it right now. And then the bottom section has these little dusters and attached to the bottom box. So make sure you go through every box in here and don't throw them away without going through them, because there are handy dandy things in every little container. These ones, we've got your power adapter. Plug it in, charge it. And then besides these dusters and the plug, we also have some other parts that we pulled out first. It looks like this must be the mop mats, and they're removable, and which means they're washable. So wash your mop mats, that's important. And then we're also gonna get ready. There's an app, like I said, when we opened it, it was instructions to have how to connect it to Wi-Fi. You do have to download the Zoozee app in order to connect it so that you can control it. It does some really cool things on the app, such as you can set like virtual walls. So even if there's not a wall in the house, you can actually make a line, a virtual line, and you can tell the vacuum to not go past that point. You can even set like no-go zones. So if there's a particular room where you have unique flooring or you don't want the vacuum to go in there, you just mark that as a no-go zone and the vacuum knows to not go in there. And the Zoozee is also equipped with a microchip, and this microchip makes it smarter every single time it operates. So it gets to know the settings that you prefer, it gets to know the zones and the rooms in which it's vacuuming, and it becomes more efficient every single time because of this microchip. How cool is that? Other cool things about this product, the Zoozee has over 200 minutes of operation time. So 240 minutes before it needs to be recharged. That's 4 hours of vacuum time. You could clean your entire house and probably still have some juice left, but don't forget to recharge it so that it's ready the next time you need it. So another cool thing that the Zoozee vacuum does is it has extremely strong suction, so it can do multiple floors. And it's a 2-in-1. It's a vacuum and it's a mop. So when you attach these, it can not only clean tile, but it can also vacuum the carpets. And it has a super strong suction capability, which means that you're gonna have extra clean floors. And let's face it, everyone wants that super suction, right, Jens?
All right, everyone. So we have connected the app to the device. There's a really easy button on here. You just click clean when you're ready. Remember, we said you have to pull this yellow tab before you can start the device, so we're going to do that now. Close that right out. You can close this top. Place it on the floor, and let's see how this bad boy works.
Shutting down.
Now, it's on. It's idle.
I am starting up.
Cleaning.
Please wait for a few seconds.
It's a few seconds. It says cleaning at the top here now. And now the button at the bottom has changed to pause. So it is ready to clean, and you can pause it from your cell phone. I am going to work. Look at it getting all those tight spaces. Nice. You can do it. That's looking real nice. Getting all the edges, going over the rug, and underneath the things. So on the phone right here, it actually tells you the area that the vacuum has cleaned and for how long it's been running. So if you aren't sure how much of the house it's been cleaning or how long it's been going, you can always check your phone. Super easy. Those little spinning dusters on the outside really help catch stuff. See all the dog hair? All right, so on the inside here, we wanted to see how much had been cleaned. So there's a little push button. If you push that, you can remove the filter.
Is unmounted.
Look how much it's cleaned in just not even 2 minutes.
Please check it.
And we also realized that this is for the water, so this is for the mop function. Clearly it will work, but when you mop, you'll want to use the dark container with the green dot. When you are doing regular sweeping vacuuming, there's actually a clear one, and that one is the correct one. You just pop it in. It's super simple. Close the top, and then you put it right back down, and you push resume on the phone. We paused it earlier, now resume. Easy peasy. So I think this technology is super cool. It's really easy to control from the phone. It has super high-tech technology like the sensors, so it can have, you know, areas where it knows it doesn't go, and the chip inside of it helps to clean your house better each time you run it. So the more you run it, this device will actually get smarter and get to know your location a little bit better. I think that's super cool. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Thank you so much for watching product reviews and challenges today. We're really excited that we got to try the Zoozee, and we hope y'all liked it. Bye, I'm Serena.